For many consumers, the sugar content in food is now a decision factor in their purchase. But for manufacturers, it's not as simple as reducing sugar. Consumers' needs are more complicated, and they require a varied response. Many people are looking to reduce sugar in their overall diet. For those who are still wanting to indulge, naturally sweet alternatives like honey and agave have become a favorite over artificial sweeteners such as xylitol. Understanding that consumers do not want to sacrifice flavor and texture, brands can use claims like naturally sweetened to send a message of natural sweeteners instead of alternative ingredients like high fructose corn syrup. With COVID-19 compelling consumers to care more than ever about their health, well-being, and occasional indulgences, it's critical that manufacturers and bakers keep up with more nuanced demands in sugar content and other health and wellness factors. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date on the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.